Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Other Liquor series, we're exploring Southern Comfort and their 80 proof version. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more about this tiny mini.
Ooh, so cute. Look at this little Southern Comfort 80. Look at that beautiful little thing. Ooh, so pretty. So that's a little mini. Of course, it's 99 cents because that's the way you're supposed to buy minis. Now, this is Southern Comfort 80, which is 40%, which, surprise, no one. Now, today they call it Southern Comfort Black, so this predates it. This is when the sale very first happened. So in 2016, it was bought by Sazerac and went back to the original recipe, which is now a whiskey base in 2017, which, of course, is made with fruits and spices and added. Now, the old one, when it was Brown Foreman, was GNS and fruits and spices and all that fun stuff. Basically, it's bourbon and peach schnapps, essentially, if they call that crap and put it together. So they say the 80 proof version is darker, richer, and spicier with more whiskey in it than the 70 proof version. So we appreciate that. I think that's fun. So we have reviewed both the Brown Fortune versions. So if you want to see the history on that, we did the original and the 100 proof. So we will have the 80, the new original, and the new 100 that are all the whiskey-based versions to review as well. To Will's delight, I am sure. I have no doubt. So we shall see if he enjoys this better than the GNS version. Let's find out.
Oh, I'm sure it's going to be super yummy.
Super excited that it's just not a whiskey.
The number of people that think Southern Comfort's a whiskey is still off the charts, though. It's pretty amazing.
It is hilariously funny. I'm like, there wasn't, and most of that were telling you that there wasn't any whiskey, and it hadn't been a whiskey in it, in almost 40 years.
Right.
So, at least now, like the history of this is actually pretty cool and fun if you go check it out. But yeah.
It doesn't smell too sweet. It smells like it's a whiskey with clove.
Yeah.
Maybe extra anise, extra star anise.
Yeah, it's got like said, orange, cherry, caramel, a little lime, the old spice, oak.
Yeah, it's that orange with cloves stuck in it that people do at Christmas time.
Definitely not the clove. Very tiny amount of oak. Now, it is whiskey based. It doesn't say how old the whiskey is. So don't forget that factor either.
No, I suppose it could be like a three-day old whiskey and still be a whiskey.
It's true. It could be. Who knows? It's brown. So is the other one.
It smells clovey, spicy, Christmassy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's totally which a lot of people, of course, put this in eggnog and make, eggnog with SoCo. So no surprise on that at all. It does smell nice. It does have also this chalky candy note that comes off of it big. It's like if you open up the wrapper and it's the residue in the wrapper, that's very much there, like Nico's or something like that. But yeah, it's interesting. But, whatever. All right, let's see what Will thinks of the taste.
It does smell to me like it's wrapped in this coating of candy.
Totally.
And now I'm getting like a licorice candy. Yay.
Sweet. Oh, we got them twice. Nice. Yeah, same thing with that orange cherry.
And licorice candy.
Yeah, licorice, caramel, lime, cinnamon. It's like a fruit juice, like a kid's juice box.
It's very oily, clingy.
Like high C with that same candy-coated powdery paper wrapped around it.
God. It's so candy coating. It just clings to your tongue like nothing.
Yeah, it's like, this tastes nothing like whiskey. You're very confused, you that think it's whiskey. Hey, but good news, Will. Guess what I found for you? I have the cherry and the lime version, which are both discontinued. Oh, I know you're excited about that. I'm like, I saw those. I'm like, must have. I also have the caramel version, so I know I have at least 3 flavor ones I found. So,
joy. Things even sweeter than this for me to try.
Oh, yeah. I figured. And those are the old GNS versions, too. Those are back in the day. They've all been phased out a long time ago. So I was like, oh, Will's going to love it. I'm so glad that I found these at the house.
Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night on YouTube, deep diving into a whiskey topic. Come hang out with us there. Better yet, if you're local to the DFW area, come hang out with us live at the castle. Book yourself a tasting and come explore the world of real whiskey. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I didn't figure he was going to do another one.
Yeah, I realized as I picked up the glass, I was like, I'm not drinking it again.
It's like, that's not happening.
SoCo 80 proof.
You are correct. Southern
I should probably
Comfort.
pour some in my glass.
Yeah, that helps. You may not want to, but you get to.
I get to. There it goes. Right
There's
on.
lots of shit you get to drink you don't want to drink. Sometimes we don't like it at all.
Yeah, but you know what?
Sometimes
You also give me black art, so
I'm giving you lots of good. I mean, I think most of the time you get good shit. Occasionally it sucks.
I will take this deal 10 times out of 10, my friend.